Tesla as of the close Friday, April 30th. Okay, so Tesla reported this week along with a bunch of other names. I gave a measured move target all the way up here at 1268, which would take a move up through the top of the bull fork that it has been trading in. Unfortunately, though, Tesla decided to sell off a bit after earnings, and it broke down below the bottom of this bull fork. And this fork might not be very usable anymore. We'll have to see over the course of the coming days if it makes its way back up inside this fork and begins to obey the bottom of it. Otherwise, we end up picking up this, probably picking up this plot point and moving it over to this one, or whatever the post low ends up being after earnings here. Let's take a little bit closer look at what's been going on, because as you can see, unlike what was going on with Apple and Google and some other names today to end the month of April, Tesla actually turned around and had a pretty bullish day. You can see it had this big bullish outside reversal day with an attempt to get back here and close the month out above the 10 and the 20 day. Also, this is probably a move to try and fend off a bearish cross that's about to pull through on Monday when we start trading the first day of May. It'll end up in a 10-20 bear cross, and the stock usually reacts pretty harshly to those. Tesla's one that really trades around its 20-day simple moving average. It did pierce down through the 50-day today, but came back with this big bullish outside reversal. So we need to see continued strength on Monday out of Tesla and get it back inside this bull fork. On Monday, that's going to take a move to about 731 to 732. So if you see Tesla have a good day on Monday and close above 731 to 732, that's going to mean that it is back inside its fork. If it winds up reacting instead to this 10-20 SMA bear cross as the sell signal that it is, instead of treating it as it is now as an oversold signal, it's trying to fend it off. Hence this huge day today to the upside in the stock. If instead it proves that this was a false move on Friday, and we end up seeing it sell off some more on Monday, we're going to be looking for it to hold a higher low here against the one on March 30th. So it has like a set of nice rising higher lows. This low came down to 591. So we want to see it hold something higher than that and form a nice trend line here. But if that doesn't work and it breaks this 591 level, it's going to want to go back to its 200-day simple moving average. And the current 2021 low isn't that far below there. So maybe that's what it's going to take, is just a full-on back test altogether of the 2021 low, which was set here in early March. Also, if we take, this is also where this measured move target that I gave you up at the top comes from. It comes from the all-time high set in January to the March low, taking that whole range and either doubling it up or doubling it down. That's how we got that measured move target up there that I gave you at the beginning of the video and showed you on some charts in the Tesla thread as well. Okay, that's it on Tesla. As always, good luck and good trading.